Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Nutanix Inc. And if you look at this stock, it's a completely textbook kind of pattern. So what we can read in textbook theory, so you can find this textbook or theoretical kind of pattern with this script. And obviously, anyhow, if any stock nowadays is listed in Nasdaq, or any of the stock is listed or has been directly or indirectly connected with IT, technology, and AI kind of things, so everything is going up. So the trend or the tide has shifted towards these sectors or stocks. But it's very fascinating to see how each and every move in this trend is calculated one. If you look at this, it's completely mechanical. So it's good to see, because in this kind of chart pattern, what one can expect is predictability. So if you are forecasting something, and if you have this kind of chart pattern which is very calculated and very much following the technical trend, so you could be able to find out the support and resistance very easily. And particularly, the probability of those supports and resistances and the accuracy for that would be much more higher when compared to other situations or other stocks. Okay, so this is a weekly chart. So the data is available since 2016. So this is the weekly chart, and if you look at the trend, so this is your trend. Okay, if you look at this trend, what you can see here, yes, okay, so these are your important support and resistance levels. Just, so this is it. Okay, now you can make trend line like this and you will find a pattern. Okay, you can do that either way. You can do like this, you will find a pattern, and there, that is pretty much visible on the chart. Okay, you can make a line like this. So I have used this, I'm using the straight lines. You can use a channel. In either of the cases, see, in either of the cases, your first support level will come at around $25 odd dollars, below which the next support level will come at around 20. Then we have 18. So below 18 there will be a problem, because if the stock falls below 18, there is a chance that it will go towards a single digit. Okay, and on the upper side of the range, your first target or resistance will come at around 30, and then we have 34. So let's understand one thing, that the stock must sustain and stay above 34 for the next uptrend. Unless it sustains above 34, you cannot expect that the stock will go on the higher side. Okay, that's the thing, that's a condition, it's a conditional thing. So once it goes above 34, the next target will be 37, and then we have $44, then 54, and then we have 63. So these are your important support and resistance level. Let me tell you one more thing, or one thing that I have already said in the beginning of the video that the kind of pattern we have is pretty much technical and theoretical, okay, bookish kind of pattern. So it does not mean that it can go as per our thought process. What I have said, that it will follow, that it is following the technical level with so much accuracy, or it looks like a textbook pattern, that when you actually draw the support and resistance, obviously you should know what are the important support and resistance and how to draw those. So there is a fair amount of chance, or the probability is very high, that the stock will actually follow the trend. Okay, so it does not mean that you can think anything wishful and it will go to 100, 200, 500 or dollars. That's not going to happen. So it will follow the trend. Likewise, for example, if the stock is going up, so we can predict that the next probability that the stock should touch is 30 odd dollars. Okay, and the probability is very high. And looking at the chart pattern, the chances are also very high. That's what I mean to say. So here, this is the thing what you need to look, but understand this: the stock must sustain above $44 so that we can call it as a rebound. Right now it is just a bounce back, because the stock has been falling since 2018 and it's a bear market rally, and you can call it as a bounce back, a very sharp bounce back, because it has already risen 153 odd percent or 150 odd percent from its lows, but you can't call it as a rebound unless it's sustained above $44. Okay, so that is the thing. So you need to take care of and follow the support and resistance in a very disciplined manner, because the data is less. So though it's a weekly chart, it will take some time for the stock to reach 63, but the way or the kind of moves we are watching right now is not normal, and you can get the same thing, or you can get the same trend. uh, so you can get the same trend. uh, so what I mean to say is, these are not normal times. So though you are getting n numbers of return in a very short amount of time, but this is not the way stock market moves. So you should know that there will be a time, if the stock market thing is overvalued, it will falls down very sharply. So I'm not saying that, but for that perspective you need to know your support and resistance, and you need to follow it in a disciplined manner. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this type of content. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.